Hello, today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard controls on Roblox. Let's start. First, open the Roblox player. Once you're in, click on these three dots from your left panel. Here, go to the settings. As you can see, there is no option available to change keyboard controls. Now go back to the home page. Click on any of the games to open it. Scroll down and click on Servers. Here you need to join a server. Click on the first one to join it. It will take you to this page. Wait for the server to be loaded. Here, first you need to select your team. Once you're in the game, click on the Roblox icon on your top left corner of the screen. Here, click on Settings. Go to Movement Mode. This is where you can change the keyboard controls. Switch this option from Keyboard Default to Keyboard plus Mouse. Or you can change the settings to whatever you want. Also, you can change the camera mode. Once you're done, click on Resume and your new keyboard controls will be saved on Roblox. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this. At Explain Me How, we are solving new problems every day.